Wow, Norwegian Encore.
3, 2, 1.
Consumel. Consumel. I think I'm gonna get off the ship and walk around a little bit. The Humidor. The guys got their own cigar smoking area on this Norwegian Encore. Alright. On the deck of the Norwegian Encore, they got a little smoking section. But it's next to the bar. And this is on deck 16, and they have another little smoking area on deck 8. And this is the social bar here on this Norwegian Icon. 2 levels, a bar, and the casino's back there. Now this is open till 3 o'clock in the morning, where you can still come get something to eat. Oh, I really feel like this is my own private ship on the Norwegian Encore right now. I could drive the Speedway with no waiting in line. Look at there. Let me show you. Oh, wow. Norwegian Encore. I am at the ALT of the ship, checking out this monstrous slide they got here. Let me show you. No! Look, and he just got off that monstrous slide.
71 years old and still crazy.
3 times.
Have a great day.
You too. Now, look at this. Let me show you. And this sucker weave around. I'm going to show you when I get down what it looks from the bottom. I don't know how to show you. But this is it. This other side, I guess, must be for the kids. I tell you, y'all, if you adventurous, yeah, get on one of these ships with these tubes that look like snakes. Just want to show you some more. Whoa, I ain't getting in there. It take me up like that. I'm 63 years old. I had a heart attack. I be calling Elizabeth like Fred Sanford. Holy moly. And now for the observation deck here on the Norwegian Encore. And they have a little buffet here, continental, in the morning till 11:30. Well, you can have peace and quiet. And you know all of y'all tails supposed to be at work on a cruise. And this is where you can come get some work done at. Yeah, right here. On deck 15. Observation deck. It's very peaceful up here. Alright. I'll come back here later. This food is set up. Today, I like these days when it ain't that many kids. I don't know what I'm paying about kids, but I ain't getting in it anyway. Now. Galaxy Pavilion here in this Norwegian Encore. Let's check it out. It's on the 17th deck. Oh, it's a fine room. Look at the decor in here. Galaxy Pavilion.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh.
This is your friendly recreation staff, Stephen.
Okay.
So I inform you that the Galaxy Pavilion will be closing in the next 10 minutes. But don't worry, guys. We'll be back again.
Oh, well. They putting us out in here. I'll be back to check it out later. I know when I'm being put out. I'm here in this Caribbean Sea. I love it.